Meaning of Indycar.
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 Indycar. Indycar is a type of open-wheel car racing that is primarily held in North America. The term Indycar is often used to refer to the cars themselves, which are specifically designed for high-speed oval and road course racing. The name Indycar comes from the Indianapolis 500, one of the most famous and prestigious races in the sport, held annually at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Indycar racing is known for its high speeds and intense competition, and has produced many legendary drivers and moments throughout its history.